yeah, this crazy world. In this crazy, crazy world, crazy, crazy world, we're living. Crazy, crazy world, crazy, crazy world, so full of sin. In this crazy, crazy world, crazy, crazy world, robbing, looting and shooting. In this crazy, crazy world, crazy, crazy world, somebody tell me what is happening. What is happening? Somebody tell me what is happening. Crazy, crazy world.
It's pretty simple what we're doing here. We're just free lining, live bait, and then we're waiting for a bite.
This a crazy, crazy world. This a crazy, crazy.
Got him.
That's right. Crazy, crazy world. Crazy, crazy world. So full of sin. In this a crazy, crazy world. Crazy, crazy world. Robbing, looting and shooting. In this a crazy, crazy world. Crazy, crazy world. Somebody tell me what is happening.
Got you doubled up, Luiza?
Oh yeah, you got one too?
Yeah.
Crazy, crazy world. Crazy, crazy world. Crazy, crazy world. Crazy, crazy world.
Not a bad way to start the morning off. Doubling up. Let me switch with you. Go around, there we go. Feel pretty good?
I know I'm right. Man, I can't down, strong down, and I can't know lightning. The wicked sit them back there and them start get frightened. Righteousness me a thing, while I suppose them have sing. Mighty that ya come down, ya come with them win. And them gets up every day, the wrong song them a sing. In this crazy world we living in. In this crazy, crazy world. It's a crazy, crazy.
Woo! It's a blackfin.
Crazy, crazy world. Crazy, crazy world. And listen them fight. Get up every day. And no one know I'm right.
Nice blackfin. We got what we came for. Capt Dave Jones. Woo! These are awesome to catch. They're super, super strong. And there's a lot of them here in the winter. Yeah, it's winter in Florida right now. Sun is out. Awesome. Super nice, strong fish. We make great sashimi tonight. All right. Woo.
That's a good one.
Oh, don't you just love that sound?
That's a real good one.
Welcome to the Florida Keys. You can do this all day. No waiting around for that type of fishing, huh? He just came back to life. Just came back to life.
Close with him?
He was close. He saw the boat and then he swam back down. It's a good morning workout. Yeah, he's right here. The blackfin. The good sized blackfin too. Yeah.
There it is. If I can get that in the rod holder.
Blackfin.
All right, another good one for Luiza. Blackfin are one after another today, girl.
Yeah.
Good
Morning
fish.
workout.
Got him right there where he needed to be hooked, right in the side of his mouth. You want to get that out? Good fish.
Nice fish. I just want to show you guys really quick the fluorocarbon that we've been using. This is the High Seas Grand Slam. And for our blackfin rods, we have them set up with 25 pound and also 30 pound. Fish on, Jimmy has a fish.
Man, this is incredible action right here today, guys. As fast as we're getting these baits in the water, the fish are destroying them. They're all over the place. We got frigates everywhere, seagulls diving, blackfin tuna coming up, bonita stealing bait, kingfish have been cutting us off. It's been insane so far this morning.
Woohoo! Dang, I love the action here. So much action.
As soon as I flipped it out of those frigates, it just got destroyed, man. It didn't last 2 seconds. Those frigates are right on top of all those tuna. This is on 30-pound high seas fluorocarbon leader. Look, you can see the tuna jumping right here. Look at these things busting right over our shoulder. Oh my gosh! Wow!
Doubling up on blackfin.
Look at that chunk there.
Nice.
Now that's a blackfin tuna. Holy cow, that's a big boy. Look at that thing. Look at this rod and the rod holder
Got
here.
another one right here.
It's a jumbo. Look at that. It's a jumbo blackfin. There it is. There's our double. Finally got one bigger than you.
I know. That's a really nice blackfin.
Oh yeah. Good.
This little one
Good
fought
fish.
hard too, but
You tried to kick out of my hands. They're tough, aren't they? Even the little ones.
they are.
Very cool.
Alright guys, so the wind is picking up, as you can see. It's like what, 15, 17 knots right now? There's no time to breathe here. It's fish after fish. All lively. One more circle.
Got it.
Tying it little road.
Another jumbo. Another big old blackfin.
They keep getting bigger and bigger.
Let me give you your fish.
Hey,
Trade you.
trade, you'll give me the rod. Give me the fish. Look at this bloody mess. That's what happens when you catch one fish after another. You get a dirty boat.